Hello everyone, I'm Harsha, alumni of the NxtWave. Today we are at the Kapil Kaveri Hub for the NxtWave Achievers Summit. Everybody is super busy and I'm super excited to know what they are up to. Let's not waste any time and check out what they are doing.
Welcome to WaveMakers.
They've given me this sticker and I've already written my name on it. I've seen a lot of exciting stuff around. Let's check and ask them what they are. Hey, hi. I see a new logo and a lot of colors here. Can I know what they are?
Of course, so this is the WaveMakers passport. We have 4 pods at the event today. So every pod that you complete, you can get yourself a tick. And here we have a recognition certificate, which will be handed over by the founders itself.
Hi everyone. I'm very excited to be here to talk to all of you.
What made you, to keep just grinding DSA during that phase after getting placed in a company?
If you want to work at a better place, if they're going to pay more, they'll expect more. So for that, you have to prepare. It's not that wherever you settle for whatever you have. But if you want to go somewhere, you definitely have to put in some efforts consistently.
The resume building part has been closed now. And now you can see the co-founder giving away the certificates. I've got mine.
It's not the intelligence, it's not the talent, it's mainly the hard work and
We came to the end of today's summit. We had a speaker from Google who gave us many valuable insights. And we also had the co-founder, Shashank sir, who gave us our certificates and spoke to us about the corporate world. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you for watching.